guys, in this video I'll be doing a DIY hair clarifying treatment using baking soda and apple cider vinegar. For the baking soda rinse, you're going to need 1 cup of warm water and a tablespoon of baking soda. This mixture helps to clarify the scalp, removing all product buildup. It also relieves itchy scalp and dandruff, and also promotes healthy and shiny hair. The apple cider vinegar rinse, you'll need 1 cup of warm water and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This helps to balance the pH levels in the hair follicles, removes excess product buildup, adds shine and softens the hair, and relieves dry, itchy scalp, which is what I'm dealing with now. So let's get started. Alright, so here's what you'll need, guys. First up, I'm going to be making the baking soda rinse. So I'm just going to take one of those bottles. It's like an old foam setting lotion bottle, I believe. I recommend you use one of those squeeze kind of bottles, but I couldn't find mine. So I already added the cup of warm water into the bottle. Now I'm just going to add a tablespoon of baking soda into the bottle, and then put my top over and shake up the mixture. Just shake up the mixture just to make sure everything is even. And then I'm going to do the same thing, add the remaining cup of warm water into the other bottle I have. Apply my tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, pour it in, and shake that up as well. Alright, and that's the 2 solutions. So now I'm going to start washing my hair. So I'm first going to shampoo like normal. I'm using the Joico K-Pak shampoo. Alright, now that I've finished shampooing, I'm just going to add the baking soda in my hair first. I had to take the top off of that because, like I said, that's why I recommend you guys use one of those squeeze, like oil applicator bottles, because it's easier to distribute using those bottles. But it's okay, I just dumped it into my hair and just kind of massaged it in. So I let that sit for 5 minutes, and then 5 minutes later I just rinse it out. And I could tell after using the baking soda that my hair felt really like stripped. I could tell like my hair felt really clean after applying the baking soda rinse. So just rinsing that out now. And I'm going to follow up with the apple cider vinegar rinse. I'm just going to distribute that all throughout my hair. And I'm also going to allow that to sit in my head for 5 minutes before rinsing. Okay, now I'm just going to rinse that out. Now I'm just going to use the VO5 Kiwi conditioner just to put a little bit of moisture back in my hair and just kind of help with the slip, because currently after using the baking soda and apple cider vinegar, my hair has no slip. So I'm using this conditioner just to kind of help me with the detangling process of detangling my hair and putting a little moisture back into my hair. Yeah guys, so it's good to do a clarifying treatment like this either once or twice a month, just to kind of get some of that product buildup off your scalp. And it's just good to make this like a practice to do once or twice a month. But it's very important not to overdo it as well. So yeah, I probably may, because I feel like I have a lot of buildup going on currently, so I probably may do another clarifying treatment for this month. But yeah, that is how I do my DIY hair clarifying treatment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.